Hey, this is Doug from DOUGandNIKI. I am here in our testing studio with a really cool new drone to test out today. What I'm going to do, because I know that's what you want, is first I'm going to show you the cool shots of it flying and the stunts and that kind of stuff. Then I'm going to come back, give you the review, and then finally, if you're still interested, you want to know about its features and unbox it and see what it comes with, all that kind of stuff, that'll follow at the end. So let's go fly it.
Whoa! Oh, that was a quick save.
Wow, I know the lighting is bad here, but the lighting is bad so you can see just how cool looking this thing is. This thing is awesome. This is so fun, so easy to use. Turn it on, sync it up with the remote, calibrate the compass, takes like all of that takes maybe 10 seconds and boom, you're up in the air. It flies great. It's easy to control, super easy to control. It's got good power for its size and obviously looks ridiculously cool. And honestly, this makes it a lot easier to see and fly. It's a small little drone. So this really I would call this a major aid for flying it comfortably and having fun with it. The stunts are awesome. The flips, the spins, all work super easily, super intuitively. Okay, I've gushed enough about it. So this is definitely a full 5 rotors out of 5 rotors on the Doug score. Full awesomeness. I hope you're still interested. So I'm going to send you over now to the unboxing. Welcome back to the past here. I hope you enjoyed seeing it fly. I hope you enjoyed the review. Let's talk about how it comes packaged, what's in it, some of the features, that kind of stuff. Okay, as with all of these drones, I always recommend you read the instructions first. There are subtle little things in those instructions which normally separate from a frustrating day to just a plain old fun day. Included are the USB for charging, some additional blades, and a couple little tools which will allow you to do everything you need to do with this particular model. Let's take a look, see what else is in here. Woo, check this out. So here's the remote. That is a nice solid remote for a drone at this level. That is cool, and it has first party view. So this is the adapter to attach to the controller so that you can see what's going on your cell phone. Let's take a look at the drone itself. So this is a 720 HD FPV drone. So you're going to be able to record some cool video with this, some photos, that kind of stuff. The fans on this are all completely ducted. Oh, this thing is so cool, so light. It is really solid. Because the fans are ducted, even I can fly it inside without NIKI being upset with me if you bang into the walls, that kind of stuff. It's not going to scratch things and it's not going to crash. As you saw, it does flips, it does 360s, all those kind of cool tricks. This obviously is the 720 camera right there. And it comes with 2 complete batteries, which each give you about 20 minutes of flight time. So tons of time to play and enjoy. The neon lights included in this are ridiculous. So as you saw, I flew it at night. You can see what it looked like at night. Super cool. Altogether, I have to say this thing is phenomenal. I hope this has been helpful. We will see you next time.